You guys, look. We're above the clouds. The window's dirty, but you can still kind of see that you just see the buildings poking out above the clouds. These buildings here in Dubai are really, really high. How cool is that? You guys, the first thing I do when I get up early in the morning, around 6 a.m., is I make my teamy. I've talked to you guys about my teamy before, but in case you haven't heard, this is like my secret to, you guys, if you watch my videos, you know I indulge, okay? I do not hold back when I want something, but I don't feel super bad about it because I always, whatever country I'm in, bring my teamy with me. It's a 30-day detox. I go on and off of it. And the skinny blend you use in the morning, it's an all-natural blend of teas that is meant to speed up your metabolism. It's also amazing because it kind of suppresses hunger a little bit, so you're not super hungry when you wake up, and it's got caffeine in it, so it gives you energy. Like I said, it's all natural. There's like 5 different blends of teas on the back of here. It's like oolong tea, yerba mate tea, jiao oolong, lotus leaf, lime leaf extract, ginger root rhubarb. Literally, that's it. It's 100% plant-based caffeine as well, so I love it. It's a little dirty because I keep it with me everywhere I go. You take that in the morning, and then right before you go to bed, whoops, you take the colon blend. This just makes sure your metabolism stays fast and efficient, and you're not carrying a lot of, most people carry 10 to 15 pounds of waste in their tummies. So this just takes care of that. Like I said, all natural tea blend. I actually been using this stuff for well over a year, and I love it. Like I said, it's a 30-day detox. I go on and off of it. I don't constantly use it. I go on and off of it, but at a time like this, I definitely stay on it. And my tumbler, Teamy's having an amazing sale right now. You can use my code MJ30 for 30% off your entire purchase. This portion of the video is sponsored by Teamy, but you guys know I love Teamy so much, and I'm literally talking from my love for Teamy, so I never recommend you guys anything I don't use myself. Love Teamy. I'll have everything linked down below if you guys want to try it out. Well, hello there. We're at the Dubai Mall right now because we're about to go to the Burj Khalifa. We have been here for a while but haven't been to the Burj yet, so I'm gonna show you later. I'm gonna do an unboxing. I've been looking for this thing forever. Just missed that line.
Elevator are super fast. From this level to level 124 will take you to reach just 1 minute. 2 levels to visit, 124 level and 125. To go to level 125, you need to use the stairs. No time limit as well, yeah? Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Wow, this is gonna take us to level 124.
Like a rocket, isn't it?
Like a rocket ship. Clink. Oh, just. This reminds me of Edge.
Is it moving?
Huh? Yeah. 10, 11. Level 70? Yeah. Come on, come on. Come on. Now this is how you do it. Ooh, we're in space. We're at level 100.
Going up, look up.
Whoa. We're in
We're there now.
We're here now.
It is a bit cloudy.
Josie said he doesn't want to sit on the brink and get a picture. It's a little cloudy today, so you just kind of see clouds. Tallest building in the world. I don't feel all that tall, but it is. Wow. Look at that. Super beautiful. How pretty is that? Yeah, you guys. You don't want to sit on the brink? Huh? Let me try and get a picture right here. You guys, and around here was our old hotel, I believe. Ooh. How cool. Can you find Javora? I thought that was our hotel we stayed in, Javora. No, thank you. Javora Hotel right there. That's where we stayed the other day, the tallest hotel in the world, but the clouds are kind of blocking it. Alright, let's go to level 125. You guys, now we're at level 125. Ready to come up those stairs. Wow. Pretty cool, huh, Jesse? What do you say? Parachute and jump? Wow, these... Yeah, those, 3. Yum at this point. Yummy. I've got my baklava. I can tell it's heavy duty and good. And my Turkish delight. 2 of my favorite desserts. I'm gonna taste some right now. Hold on. There's cinnamon Turkish delight and pomegranate, and it's so good. You guys, look, she wrapped it up so pretty for me. She was really nice. I guess they all are, right? But she gave me a holiday bag as well. I'm gonna do like an unboxing. Let me try and do this with one hand. No. Yes. Okay, nothing. So, there's nothing in there. How pretty! How pretty is that? I love it.
fun in this boat.
Yum, guys. It's now dinner time, and Jesse got some fish. I got some curry shrimp and a delicious salad and some naan. I can't drink this. It's too sweet. You want it? It's too sweet for me. Yeah. You guys, perfect end to a perfect day. We just got back from the beach, and look what I have waiting for me. Ooh. Ooh. Some Turkish delight. Okay, there we go. Ooh, yummy. And some baklava. You guys. I'm in a good place. I'm about to make my tea. Oh yeah. You guys always ask me, update on the Teamy tea. Do you still take it? No, you guys don't understand. I take my Teamy tea in the morning and I take my Teamy tea at night because, as you can see, I like to indulge. I really do. I like to, when I'm on vacation, I don't even know if I can call these vacations because it's like my job and it's what I do like 24/7. So when I feel like I've been indulging too much, I do my tea. In the morning, like you saw, I make my skinny blend, and at night I make my Coleman blend. It's all natural teas, you guys. Don't worry. It's all natural blend of teas that they use a lot of these teas in China as well for the same reasons, for detoxing your body, and I bring it around the world with me everywhere I go. You guys know I do not support anything that I don't actually use, and I actually use Teamy, and I actually love Teamy, and I'm making myself some tea right now, and then I'll see you guys in tomorrow's Vlogmas. It's actually kind of fun uploading a video every day because it's like I don't have to put as much thought into editing, you know what I'm saying, like, because it's just a rundown of my day, and I think it's quite interesting that it's Christmas time and I'm in Dubai. It's like such an un-Christmassy place. Although there's Christmas decorations around everywhere. It's just, I don't get the Christmas feel here. But I love it nonetheless. It's a beautiful place, and I love Dubai so much. So I think I'll be in Dubai for the rest of this month, actually. And yeah, like I said, I'm just gonna make my tea. And that is it for tonight. Teamy is sponsoring this video. But of course, all thoughts and opinions remain my own. He's having some Turkish delight. Do you like it? It's good, right? Is that the cinnamon or the pomegranate one? Why are you making that face? Turkish delight. Guys, that's a replica of Big Ben. Dubai does a lot of replica things. They take like a big landmark of a city and then they put one here. They also have a Dubai Eye, like the London Eye. They have a lot of replicas, but yeah, guys, I'll see you tomorrow. I'm just gonna be eating my Turkish delight and watching Criminal Minds. I've been so obsessed with Criminal Minds lately because a friend of mine told me, Mary Jane, because I don't like to watch criminal shows, and he was like, you need to start watching criminal shows like Criminal Minds because you need to know how criminals think. And I'm like, why do I need to know how criminals think? And he's like, because you're always traveling by yourself, so you can like know what to do, what not to do, who to avoid, who not, you know what I'm saying? Be 10 steps ahead of the criminals. And I'm like, that's so true. So I started watching Criminal Minds, and I'm like, because I'm like a kid. I watch kiddie stuff. Like I like Home Alone. I like SpongeBob, huh? Dora. You said Dora. I love SpongeBob. I love, the most adult thing I watch is like The Office. I am the person on the airplane that is watching like Elsa and Mulan and Moana while everybody else is watching adult stuff. I'm a big kid, but yeah, like I said, Criminal Minds I've been obsessed with because it teaches you how criminals think, and I'm like, wow, I get it. Like I don't get criminals, but like I understand. I'm like, okay, this somebody's acting like this, they might be a serial killer. Maybe stay away from them. I don't know. But anyways, that's all I'm going to be doing.